Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off Bluetooth mode and turn on Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. Click on Bluetooth and click on storage and cache and clear cache Bluetooth app. After clear cache Bluetooth, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on again settings app, scroll down to and click on the reset settings. Click on reset all settings, enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.